The freshmen have been delivering for the University of the Philippines at nakakuha nga nila itong ating third set against Ateneo. So we are now entering our fourth set, Ivy.
That's right. And makikita natin dito, the attacking of UP really umangat eh. 13 as compared to how many lang ng mga previous sets. But ang naging maganda dito sa laro ng UP because their blocking and their service also work for them.
Well, yung errors halos nagpantay actually nung itong kupunan na UP nakahabol din doon. But again, the services and the blocking nitong kupunan ng UP really got that done. And again, para sa Ateneo, now you're starting to question, is this the correct lineup for the Lady Eagles?
So probably, yung pwesto, kung sino yung mga nasa position ngayon, probably it's not the normal na lineup kasi that we can see, or not the normal people in these positions.
Diana Carlos and Marian Buitre had a great third set for the Lady Maroons. Yung Joanna Maragino, tumahataw pa rin. Eliza Valdez still contributing. But Ateneo now cannot just get help from two. They need to get help from everybody.
That's right. So nandiyan yung contribution ng mga middle attackers mo, ng utility. Because, UP really is, they're trying to maximize naman lahat ng pwesto ng attackers nila.
Did anybody touch it? Wala daw. Although Hekeliana was just there. First point belongs to Ateneo. Valdez serving.
Good serve.
Very good serve kasi service ace. Kanina, Liza Valdez had 3 service errors.
Yeah. So at least ngayon nakikita natin na yung good start so far here for the service of Eliza.
Eliza once again. Lai. Wow. Justin Dorog. Dinorog ang bola.
Lakas ng palo no? Let's take a look at that.
Freshman ba talaga ito? Ultra fast spike at sa atin ng PLDT Home Altera, the ultra fast LTE for a happy family. That can't be a freshman. Jesus. Tan. Maraginot.
And again, you can't have one blocker against Maraginot.
Hanapin mo ako ilang puntos na ito si Maraginot. She might be approaching 20 points already right now.
Yeah. Because 15 points siya at the start of, towards the third set. And she earned 5 or 4 points nung set number 4.
If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Attack goes out from UP. Ateneo off to a good start dito. So, Bea de Leon. So, ano siya? 20 total na.
Yes. 20 total for Maraginot. Yeah.
Lai. Diana Carlos. This is one of the best games we've seen from Diana Carlos.
Oh, yes. She, in set 4 alone, she scored 6 points.
And she's loving it too. Maris Layog now to serve. Jesus. Tan. It's 4 touches against Ateneo. So looking at the lineup of Ateneo, Ahomiro is back as the quicker.
Yes, which is, well, it wasn't really her original position, but she's really done very well nung kinonvert siya na gitna dito sa Ateneo eh.
Right, and that won them a championship a year ago. And of course, they did it again this year. Samantala, Hekeliana. Coach Tay, nagja-jogging na sa sideline.
I think ito yung original na na position.
Nilang lahat.
Yeah, nilang lahat. That's right.
So, Hekeliana serving. Lai. Buitre. Just out. 6-3 Ateneo, thanks to a few errors also from UP. Okay, Hekeliana now. Inangat para kay Diana Carlos, Eliza Valdez. Joanna Maraginot, and the block goes out from Carlos.
Point for Ateneo.
Point for Maraginot again. 21. Mag-Maraginot watch na tayo ngayon.
And I think she scored more than Eliza Valdez now here
definitely
in this match.
Hekeliana again. Off the block, Diana Carlos. Yung reaction ni Des. Uy! Lumagay. Kaya lang, hindi umabot. So, 7-4 Ateneo. Diana Carlos serving. Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Good serve by Carlos. Eliza into the net.
Straight into the net.
Mahabol na naman ang UP dito. 7-5 Ateneo. The freshman Carlos. With another great serve. And Amy Ahomiro will find the line. 8-5 Ateneo. So far, so good for the Lady Eagles dito sa ating fourth set. Let's listen to Coach Jerry Yee.
Ayaw nyo rin. Error pa tayo. Sagot na ba kayo?
Well, that is the end of that huddle. Sa Ateneo naman, nagtitingin na lang sila sa scoreboard. Let's listen now to Trisha Robredo.
Noel and Ivy, we all know that coaches have different ways of motivating their players. But instead of saying that we have to win this game or we have to continue the winning streak, the Lady Eagles are always reminded na kaya pa nating bumuti and that we can always improve on a lot of things. Now, despite the record, walang tigil pa rin sa pag-eensayo ang Lady Eagles at kanina nga sa huddle, despite losing the third set, walang kupas din ang mga ngiti nila. Dahil sabi nga ni Kapitana Eliza, kayang-kaya pa natin. Coach Jerry, on the other hand, tried to balance the praises and the pointers in his huddle. Siyempre sila'y nasiyahan, pero sana raw ay hindi pa makontento ang girls at doblehin pa ang efforts for the rest of the game. Sabi niya nga, hindi pa ito tapos, cover all ground, and yung mga malilit na bagay, never take them for granted. Guys?
UP must go back, actually, Trisha and Ivy, to what got them that win.
Yeah, in the third set.
They have been going to Buitre. They have been going to Carlos. Yung dalawang kumamada talaga ng gusto. But Ahomiro was not playing in that third set for Ateneo.
Yun ang isang probably one difference din. You have to consider now, pag nagsistrategize itong UP, that Amy Ahomiro is back as a middle attacker. And that might just change the story.
Yun na nga. Maraginot. Carlos, Lai. Drop shot, Molde. Kanina pa yan si Molde, ha? More than Dorog. Kasi si Dorog may mga power shots din. It's Molde who's actually getting all of those drop shots to go. Molde on the serve. Tan sets up Eliza Valdez. One blocker only, setter pa.
And you can't have that against Eliza Valdez.
Setter pa yung tumapat kay Eliza. So 10-6. Ahomiro to serve. Here's Lai. Back set. Great defense by Eliza Valdez.
Good timing.
Ano sabi ni Eliza? Guys, gutom na ako.
Uwi na
natin
tayo.
to. That's a great single block though. Good read on Marian Buitre. PLDT Home Ultera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family with speeds of up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. Errors now creeping in for UP. This looks like a replay of set number 1. So 6-point lead now for the Lady Eagles.
Oh, straight into the net, Amy Ahomiro.
So that's down to 5. Layug back in front. So, magtutos na naman na De Leon versus Layug. Good serve by Buitre. Valdez on the push. Habol si Juolay. Buitre, galing sa likod, itinawid. Valdez into the net again. We've seen Eliza hit into the net more times in this match than any other match the whole season.
Yes, actually her success rate with her attacks is only 39% para sa match na to, which is quite low for her.
For an Eliza Valdez, yes. Good read that time by Hekeliana. So 13-8, UP down by 5. Now serving, Giselle Tan. Lai running attack, Dorog. Malakas. Dorog's percentage has dropped here in the fourth set. Ateneo once again up by 6. Giselle Tan once again. Lai. Layug. And Eliza Valdez is now becoming a factor on defense.
Probably, if she can't really have a higher percentage sa pag-atake, then contribute somewhere else.
Well, she can on defense naman